Today, we look at more concepts. The question is straightforward, NECO, JAMB, and IGCSE exam. The question says calculate the number of molecules in 0.5 mole of oxygen. Avogadro's number is 6.02 times 10^23. That's the constant. And these are the options. So solution. Now, we say 1 mole of any particle or ion, atom, or electron equals 6.02 times 10^23. So I'm writing it 1 mole. So in this case, 1 mole of oxygen equals to 6.02 times 10^23. So to make it easy for us, we already have 0.5 mole of oxygen. Let mole be under mole. 0.5 mole of oxygen equal to unknown, which is the number of molecules we are looking for. So simply put, cross multiply. When cross multiply, x times 1 here will give us x, and 0.5 times 6.02 times 10^23. Yeah, 0.5 times 6.02 times 10^23. Mathematically, 0.5 is same as half. Just like I said, half of this. When you multiply it, you have 3.01 times 10^23. So these are our answers. The number of molecules in 0.5 mole of oxygen is option B. So for those of you that have been subscribing, liking our videos, thank you very much. Subscribe, like, view, share with your friends. God bless you.